Lean hard. There you go. Go out in the middle here. In the middle here, you're going to find less ruts and it'll be easier for you. Ready? There you go. All right, head out towards that girl. Stay with the turn. Stay with the turn. Turn hard. There you go. Turn hard again. Don't get in the back seat. Lean forward.
Okay, so left, you're gonna wanna.
You're good. No.
So like when you go horizontal and you start leaning left.
No worries.
Start leaning forward, you start automatically going this way. Because you're regular. So when you lean back, you should start going automatically left.
Okay, that ski.
Am I gonna get in there?
You got to turn the ski around. Number one.
I'm not 100%.
Good. Put it next to you. Okay.
Yeah, try going down
Well,
regular.
hang on a second. Before you do that, you're going to want to slide, right? So, you're going to take the ski. And you're going to go. Okay. Now you can step into it. Oh, no. Step up. There you go. I got you. Step straight down. There you go. You're good. All right.
Why am I already tired?
Because that's what it is.
Crap.
Well, turn out into the slope here.
Dude, I'm the queen of the bunny slope. What?
Nice.
I thought it was the shit.
Just lean hard and make your turn. Lean hard, make the turn. There you go. Lean into it. Lean forward and then down. There you go. Do it again. Lean forward. There you go. See how fast you turn when you lean? When you get your body forward, you're going to turn really quickly. So you can run all the way out across the slope and just turn up a little bit to bleed speed. So you go, okay, I need to bleed some speed. Okay, I need to bleed some speed. Lean forward. There you go. You're doing it and you look good doing it. Lean forward. There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah. Lean forward, Louie. Lean forward. To the left, all my exes live in Texas. That's why I don't know what to do. Woo! Woo! That was fun.